Okay, I've heard you, but can I get the money first? Please.
Okay, I'll give you the money.
Hey, thank you.
Human beings can fail, but God can never fail. Weeping cometh only in the night, but joy comes in the
Just leave it. Huh? What kind of life is this? If not for desperation, what will I be doing here? Will I be seated here listening to this devilish sermon this woman has been giving to me? Chukonna, Inozikome, I hope you are in heaven watching everything that is happening to me. I have cried enough, oh. I have cried enough. I will not cry again. Because of money.
Don't relate. One day, God will come for you. I'm not what you go dara. Iga bugogi, mana jisike. Jisike nige when you must overcome. It's a sure, it's a sure. At the last,
When did it start?
But the moment you dropped us home after school, he complained to me about headache. I told him I would tell you when you come back. It was when we woke up from our siesta that I touched him and I noticed that his body was very hot.
Eh? What is this? But he was fine this morning now, eh? Run inside, check my first aid kit and get me the thermometer. Don't now. You don't. Sorry. You'll be fine, oh? You don't. Sorry. Sorry. Benite. Hey! You sorry, oh? Sorry, don't. Sit up, eh? Sit up. Open your hand. Ndo, sorry, hold it tight, huh? Ndo, sorry, you'll be fine. Did you give him anything to eat?
Yes.
Ndo, sorry. Jesus Christ. His temperature is very high. Hey, see, just stay with your brother, eh? Let me run up to the pharmacy down the road and see if I can get him some drugs. You know what? Stay with him, eh? Let me run outside and see if I can get drugs for him to buy. Oh? Please hold him carefully and make sure you don't open the door to anybody until I come back or your daddy comes back. Nah, you don't. Oh? Let me go and look for drugs for you. Okay? You'll be fine. Sorry. Oh. Sorry. Press the phone. I'm coming, eh? Don't open the door for anybody.
It's your daddy.
Daddy is back. I'm coming.
Open
Daddy.
the door. How are you?
I'm fine. Daddy, good evening.
Good evening.
Daddy,
Yes.
David has been running 10 days for sex and came back from school.
Yes, your mom.
She went to bring drugs for him.
Are you okay? Sorry. I know what is wrong with you. But not to worry. Mommy has gone to get drugs. Okay? By the time she is back, We'll take your drugs and we'll just be fine. Okay? Daddy's here with you. Daddy's going nowhere. I hope you've eaten.
Yes. We ate when we came back from school and Mommy also gave us food this night.
Sorry. Sorry. It's okay.
Who is there?
It's Mommy, open up.
Mommy is back.
Sorry. Sorry. Fine. Don't. Sorry.
Is this your friend?
I don't even know what to make of this. His temperature is still on the high side. I don't want this boy to have convulsion.
It's 2 a.m. in the morning already. Once it's daybreak, so we rush him to the family hospital to see the family doctor. Okay?
The family doctor. With which money? Biko. Please, the family doctor should be the last thing we'll be talking about. How are we going to get money to take him to that hospital? You know how expensive it is there. Please, it's not like you know how to go out there and beg people for money. You know you are very shy. At the end of the day, everything will still fall on my head. I'll start running helter-skelter. Biko, let's cut our coat according to our size. Please.
So what exactly do you want me to do now? Tell me, what exactly do you want me to do? Sit down, fold my hands and watch my son shiver with cold and malaria? The drugs you got from the chemist is not even effective.
There are cheaper hospitals around here. There are small hospitals that we can take this boy.
Small hospitals? Cheaper hospitals, as if when you get there, you just get the card for free. Are we not going to pay for a new card for registration? If we go to our family hospital now, we already have the card. We'll not pay for card again. What are you talking about?
What are you talking about? Are you not thinking with your head? So because of card 3,000 or card 5,000, we should go to a hospital that will charge us hundreds or thousands of naira to treat this little boy, rather than look for a small hospital here and take him there to treat him. It's not like you have money anywhere that you want to use and pay the hospital bill. And it will still fall on my head. Biko, I don't want to get upset.
Hey, you are shouting. Is that why you're shouting?
Why would I not shout? You are being unreasonable here and it's not fair.
Take it easy. I'm confused too.
I don't like this one. I don't like this. I don't like it. I'm tired though. I am tired though. Sorry.
After the rainfall, the sun must shine. Upon your neck, Oteraneno, Magona Yekoterea,
Doctor, is everything okay? You've been looking at this file since.
Where's your husband? I would like to talk to both of you together.
My husband is not around, but whatever it is, you can tell me. I can handle it, it's fine.
It's very imperative I talk to both of you together. Call him if you can. He needs to be here.
Doctor, my husband is a boy to a trailer driver. And they travel to different cities every time. Right now, I don't even know where he is presently. He left the house this morning. Except I'll have to call him on the phone to ask him where they are. I don't know where he is now. But whatever it is, you can tell me. I'll handle it.
Okay, so I'll go ahead and tell you. You see, your son has acute malaria, typhoid, bacterial infection, and shortage of blood.
Shortage of blood. How?
As it stands now, he needs urgent blood transfusion. We need to give him at least 3 pints of blood before we can start other medications.
Okay, no problem. Give him blood now.
And that was why I said your husband needed to be here. We have to run a test of both of you to know whose blood matches with his, so that the person can donate at least 1 pint, so that we can go to our blood bank to get the rest of the blood.
Doctor, no problem. Take my blood now. You can take my own blood. No
We
problem.
have to run a test on you first to know if your blood matches with his.
It will match. Let's go and do the test. It will match.
Let me call the nurse.
Shortage of blood.
Yes, malaria, acute malaria can lead to shortage of blood.
That small boy. On a short of blood in my bed.
Maybe we left him to mosquito bites. Come to my office.
Sir, my blood didn't match with our son's blood.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Then she has to buy from us. Go get the woman for me.
Yes, doctor.
Madam, your blood didn't match with his own. It's either you call your husband to come so that we can run the same blood test on him, or you deposit 250,000 naira for us, so we can start treatment. We'll buy the blood and start the necessary treatments.
Doctor, I already told you. I've called my husband. He's not anywhere around here. As I'm talking to you, there already. He has traveled. He's out of town.
Okay, the only option we have now is that you deposit 250,000 naira for us to buy the blood and commence with treatment.
150,000
Naira.
for blood.
And other treatments.
Huh. Doctor, I don't have that kind of money. The 20,000 I deposited earlier for med and lab, that's the last money I had. It was even supposed to be to stock up my provision shop. Maybe like 100. Hey, doctor.
I'm wondering what you expect us to do. We don't want charity here. This is a business setup. So it's either you get the money or you take your son back home.
Hey, Dr. Mbana, do you want my son to die? I can't treat him at home. Now that's why I brought him to the hospital. I don't want him to die.
Can you save me the emotional blackmail and get us the money?
Doctor, I'm not saying I will not get the money. What I'm saying is that, okay, start the treatment. Let me go out there and run around and see if I can get the money.
Okay, you are sure that you can get the money?
I'll get it, Biko.
Okay, fine.
Just start treatment.
No problem. Go and get the money first.
Oh, okay.
Once you get it, we'll start.
I will, but please just attend to me. So I don't want anything to happen.
Go and get the money first. Get the money first. We'll start treatment. No problem. Once you come back.
Okay, sir. Thank you. So this is how my son is going to die. Where do I get money from? Where do I see money to buy him blood? Where? Aye. And I can't even go back to NK's shop. She would definitely send me out. What do I do? Oh, Chineke, now where do I go? Where do I go? What do I do? Hello? The doctor says we need to get some blood for him and my blood does not match. I don't want my son to die, you. I don't want anything to happen to him. Where do I get money from? I don't have any money with me. You need to come back, oh. You need to come back and take charge as a man because I'm tired. I don't know what else to do. I said I don't have any money. I don't have any money with me. Okay, I've heard. I can't sit and watch my son die. It's not possible. There is no how I can raise this money from the shop. The goods in the shop now can't even get me 100,000 naira comfortably. Even if I decide to sell everything off to raise the money. Njide, you still need to think. You need to think out of the box to raise this money or stand the chance of losing your son.
Don't give up, don't relent. One day, God will come for you. I'm not you go dara. Iga bugagi, mana jisike.
Begging you, please.
How can you just barge into my office just like that?
I'm sorry. I'm very sorry because it's my child, my son. My son is in the hospital and the doctor says they need 150,000 naira for his treatment. I swear to God, I don't have any money on me. I don't want anything to happen to my son. Rico. If not for anything, at least my husband was not bad to you while he was here. Please, I'm begging you. I don't want my son to die. Please.
Listen, there's a hotel very close to my office here. It's not far, it's in that street. Yeah, we can go there. I'll make the money 1 million naira. Just to have you. Once, and not twice. And you walk away with the money.
Joe, why are you doing this? Why? You can actually use this money and get millions of girls out there. Why me? You know I'm married. Why are you doing this?
Is that what you think? You are my choice. I don't want millions of street girls. It is you I want.
Okay, let's go.
Are you ready?
I don't want anything to happen to my son.
Now listen to me. I don't want what happened the last time to repeat itself again.
And I just said I don't want anything to happen to my son.
Good. So let's go. Go in and freshen up. I am talking to you. I said, go in and freshen up.
Can't do this. No matter how hard I try, I can't. If it's the will of God that my son David will die in this sickness, so be it.
Are you not the one I'm talking to? I said go in and freshen up.
Go to hell and burn to ashes.
What?
Perish with that money. Leave me.
Oh shit. Oh, not again!
I can't go back to the hospital without results. I don't need to watch my son die. Nowhere to go to anymore. Even if I start begging people for alms in the streets, will I ever raise up to that amount? It's of no need. Let the will of God be done.
Mommy, good afternoon.
My princess, good afternoon. You're back. Is it dismissal time already?
Yes. I did not see any of you, so I decided to come back on my own.
Nembiko, forgive your mother, oh? I didn't even know it was time to pick you up already. Please, don't be offended. Okay?
Okay.
I promise.
How is my brother?
Your brother is in the hospital.
I know. I've not discharged him.
There's no money. And the doctor says they won't commence treatment on him if we don't bring anything. I don't even know what to do. Nobody wants to borrow me money. You know what? Let me not bore you with that, okay? You're welcome. Bring your bag. Go inside. Let me look for something that you can eat, oh?
Mom, let's just go and give him lunch. He should be hungry by now.
I don't want to go to the hospital alone. I just want us to wait for your father to return, then we can all go together.
When is Dad even coming back?
I don't know.
Let's just go and give him lunch to eat.
Princess, I already gave one of the nurses money to buy him lunch.
But still, let's just go.
Okay. We'll go. Alright? Have you eaten?
Don't give up, don't relent. One day, God will come for you. Amam namba jugodara, iga bugagi, mana jisike nige when Mary, must overcome. It's a shame, it's a show. At the last, Ebele Anatamba Jugodara, Ika Bugagi, Mana Jessica. Ige when Mary, you must have victory, it's a show.
Nurse.
Ma, this is the last pint of blood.
He has taken 2 already, and we have started treatment on him.
Eh?
Thank God. David, how are you doing? I am fine. How was school today? Who was fine? Thank you.
Nurse, what happened?
That young man saw today from the doctor's office later came back.
God is faithful. Nothing is impossible with Him. No matter how tough this road it is, don't give up. You shall believe. One day, your God will come for you. Don't give up. Don't.
How are you?
Mama, Nisa,
Yeah. Why is no one attending to you?
my dad does not have money again, and my mom has gone to beg most people for money.
Oh, really? Anyways, be good, okay? I'll be right back. Just be good, okay? You'll be fine. So, nurse, why is he not being treated?
His family has not made any deposits.
Oh, so has he eaten anything yet?
Yes, she gave me some money, so I brought rice for him.
Okay? Please take me to the doctor.
Okay, sir.
Be good, okay?
Sir, he wants to see you.
Young man, how can I be of service to you?
Sir, my name is Nnamdi Okorosa. I came to visit one of my relatives who was admitted here. And I ran into a boy who was abandoned with no one to take care of him. I asked him and he said that his parents did not have money for his treatment. So, you know what?
Who is he talking about?
The boy and his mom brought him this morning, the one that has shortage of blood.
Okay. I actually told the mother to deposit 150,000 naira so we can buy 3 pints of blood and start treatment on him.
So, where can I put my debit card? Because I need you to commence treatment on him with immediate effect. Please.
Take him to the cashier.
One more thing, sir. I will be dropping my card with you, just in case you need more money. Okay? There will be no need disturbing the parents about any other payment because I will take care of all his hospital bills. Please. Alright.
That's good. That's good.
Alright.
That's nice.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Nurse Biko, where is this man? Let me see him at least. Let me say thank you to him.
I think he dropped his card in the doctor.
Oh, okay. Can you help me get his card or at least his phone number? Thank you very much. Oh. Thank you. Hey, Tina, how are you? You feel better, eh? Oh? Hey! Thank you, Jesus. Just when I thought that everything has ended for me, you decided to put a smile on my face. You decided to take shame away from me. You said my son will not die. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Jesus. Now, you'll be fine. Oh? Your brother will be fine, yeah?
So that lady is asking for that young man's contact.
Which lady and which young man?
The lady, her son has shortage of blood that left this man.
Oh, okay.
I told her about the man that paid for them, and she said I should give her his contact.
It is not necessary. And the young man saying he shouldn't disclose his identity to them. So tell her her identity.
Daddy, are you?
Yes, I've been here for a while. When I came in, the doctor said I shouldn't disturb you. You were asleep.
Daddy, where's Princess and Mommy?
They left the moment I came in. Yes, Mommy had to go home and rest. Likewise, Princess. Princess just came back from school, so she had to go home to change her uniform.
Okay.
How are you feeling?
Fine.
That's my boy. That's my boy. So,
Hi.
Hello, baby. How are you?
Daddy,
Hi.
Daddy, Uncle Namdi paid for my hospital treatment because our mommy did not have money to pay.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Thank you so much. My wife has told me a lot about you.
It's a pleasure, sir. I just came back to see how he's faring.
He's improving, as you can see.
Yeah, obviously.
Tremendously.
Thank God.
Thank you.
Alright, David, I will see you later, okay? Alright.
You'll be fine, okay? You'll be smart, okay? That is boy.
Sense you don't get. Just to make my
Ha! Neighbor. Now welcome. David, are you back? Good afternoon.
Welcome.
David is
Welcome.
back like he never left.
Yes, so
David,
welcome.
welcome, yeah.
Eh?
Neighbor, welcome.
Thank you very much.
I hope you are okay now.
Yes.
We are so happy to see you. Yeah.
I can see both of you are just taking breeze outside.
So,
It's necessary.
welcome. David, don't sick again, no? Oh?
No, we don't get sick. Okay, we're inside.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome. Ah, the boy is so fine.
You two like beautiful children, but you don't have one. What is your problem?
How many you have?
Anyway, no need of me saying anything with you. Let me just go.
Just to make mouth. That's it be.
Akwanye nekotera nenu wa Ogono yekotere ya Dibe na kosi ade Uweru erika Afafa kariga wake Uweru erika What has done against me
I'm fine? Okay.
Daddy, where's Mommy and Princess?
Oh, Mommy has gone to her shop and Princess has gone to school.
Okay.
So both of us are going to remain home until they come back.
Okay, Daddy.
That's my boy. You good? So why don't you go inside and change?
Okay.
I'll join you soon.
Come, take this one inside.
Big boy.
After the rainfall, the sun must shine.
I want to be this one now. Make I dey go. Have we not gotten to the place?
Oga, keep going. The store is still down there. Keep going.
Which one is the shop is still down there? We have been passing so many shops. can't you buy the bread from any of those shops you are passing?
That is the only shop that is selling the kind of bread I want to buy. Keep going. Nah,
I wonder why this boy is complaining.
Ask you.
Okay, not for free you carry us. Not money we go give you. What in the worry you now?
No wahala. I go see they go, but una money they top up. Una money they top up.
Okay, carry this in. Come out here, man. Come out here, I beg. Move this in. Wow.
Ibuchi anyam jamuzo agada bachi uzo moko golila
Oh, customer. Well done, bro. Good evening.
Good evening.
Hey.
I want to buy that bread, that big one that I used to buy.
Hey. Customer, I know day. That bread no day at all. I no carry am today. I no buy am today.
What do you want now? Do you know when we took this year? Just because of that bread.
Okay, you know what's going to happen? Tomorrow, make una come back. I promise I go bring the bread for now.
So tomorrow again, we took another drop down here just because of that bread.
Okay, you know day. And if you say make you even go other area, go do for nobody they sell them for you. Now only me they order the bread. So make una just come tomorrow. I go bring the bread come for now.
Are you sure we are going to meet the bread tomorrow?
By the special grace of God.
You don't hear them now. No, we no come tomorrow. You no come get them. Madam, tomorrow. You go there, Abi?
You go there. Una no go buy another thing. No be only bread now. I get cold drink.
No. Yeah, maybe they go. Let's go.
Okay.
Tomorrow now, Abi?
Tomorrow.
We'll come back.
No wahala. Thank you. Now well done.
Tomorrow, madam.
No wahala. Customer. Wait, Now well done.
Oh, wait again, man.
Hey! I can't find my phone. Nah, which one be say you can't find your phone again? Check where.
I have checked everywhere. I can't find my phone. I've checked everywhere.
Wait, you. Are you sure you did not forget the phone at that woman shop?
Yes. I forgot it on the table. Please, driver, take us back.
Which can take you back? Which can passenger be on herself? Now which can thing be all this one?
Shut up. Turn before the woman go hide the phone. Take us back. What is your problem? They complain.
I don't like this kind of thing. Unless they carry me up and down.
Wait, you take us back. Just wait.
Okay, I'm on fast.
But cheer on ever.
Wait.
The cheer on there.
Come, I beg.
Which kind thing be all this one now, eh? No, I won't carry for this road.
You know, shut up.
Madam, I'm looking for my phone. I left my phone here, yes.
I left my phone here. I left my phone in your shop when we are discussing.
Okay, you don't leave phone. Now not be all of us stand here dey talk.
Go inside and bring my phone. I left my phone here, madam.
Which kind wahala?
When
Okay.
we are discussing, I left my phone here. Go inside and bring my phone.
Okay, I say you no leave phone for here. Shebi na all of us stand here dey talk.
Look, search inside. That is my phone now. How come? Don't be your phone with this. Now my phone now. Don't be your phone. Now my phone.
Okay, no,
Madam,
not inside my shop. No shit. Okay, I never thief for my life before. I use God name to beg you. I no carry your phone.
How come my phone get into your shop?
Okay, I don't know. I no carry phone.
Wait, madam. Just now where your customers just come out. Forget their phone for your shop. Now you don't Colombian.
Yes. You know me. Shebi, you know me. I never thief for my life.
Give me my phone. You know the thief.
I never thief for my life.
Hey, give me. Let me call. Hello, Daddy. I need some boys here.
I don't carry phone, no. You dey call police.
Madam, you a thief.
Okay, I don't carry phone. I swear to God, no. I swear to God, I never thief for anybody hand before. I never thief anybody. I don't thief for
Yeah, stop crying. You're a thief.
You're a thief.
When you get to the police station, you will explain.
I know they thief, okay?
Once you get to the station,
I know they thief.
Are you sure you can see? My boy. Hello? Who? My wife? Phone? How? Where? When? Oh no, it can't be. Please, what's the address? Which of the police stations? Okay, I'm coming there right away. I'm coming there right now. Okay, thank you. No, nothing. Nothing happened. Nothing. Everything's fine. Mommy is fine. Mommy is doing well, okay? I just want to go and see her. I'll be right back. Stay here, eh? Don't move, oh. Let me change. I'll be back, okay? I was just coming to you.
No problem.
Nothing much. It's just that I just received a phone call that my wife was arrested by the police. So I said, let me rush there.
Any problem?
I wouldn't know. I just got the call. Say me see wahala.
Okay. So
I said, let me bring my son to you, David. He will be staying back. I want him to stay with you till I return.
No problem. I will.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I hope I'm not disturbing you.
No, you are not.
Thank you. Okay. One more thing. Please don't allow him to run around the compound. Okay. He likes running around. Yeah. Make sure he stays in your house.
Okay, I will.
David, that will be back soon, okay? Bye.
Princess.
Yes,
what happened? Your teacher said you're the only one left in the school.
Yes, I can find my way to my mom's shop.
You can find what?
I can find my way to my mother's shop.
No, I won't let you do that.
But the other day I went on my own.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
I wouldn't want your mother to come to this place and start ranting like a mad woman. I don't want her wahala. Are you sure you can go?
Don't worry, head teacher. I'll tell her that I'm the one that asked you to let me go.
Okay, you can go.
Thank you.
Oh, this family is something else. Like mother, like daughter.
Mommy said I should not talk to strangers. Auntie, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Princess. How are you doing?
Auntie, I'm fine. Is my mom at the shop?
Your mommy?
Yes.
Your mom is not in the shop. Your mom was arrested by some policemen. She stole a customer's phone.
Jesus. Till?
Yes.
My mom cannot steal. It's not possible.
Maybe she goes to the police station and explain that to them.
I went to our mommy's shop and it was locked. I asked our neighbors and they said our mommy got arrested by the police.
Princess, stop crying. Daddy has gone to bring her back.
Okay.
Princess, Daddy said I should stay with Auntie until he comes back with mommy.
I'm back. Let's go inside.
Daddy did not drop the key with Auntie. She went with it.
Okay, let's
How
wait
was
for
school
them.
today?
School was fine.
Don't give up, don't relent. One day, God will come for you. Amam but you go dara, Iga Bugagi, Mana Jessica. Jessica nigga, when Mary, Mustafa come, when Mary. It's a shame, it's a shame.
Princess, why are you here with your brother?
He said we should come out to avoid staying in her room.
Yeah, I don't understand. You mean she told you people to stay out here to be beaten by mosquito? Eh? Just because she doesn't want you to dirty her room?
Yes.
Now wow. Some people say, when she knows she cannot help you, why not tell your dad? Eh? Instead of doing it in an inhuman form. Hey! Wow.
Weeping moment only in the night, but joy comes in the morning. Our God is able, our God is faithful. Nothing is impossible with Him. No matter how.
What are my children doing here? Why are you sitting here like slaves? What are you doing here?
Auntie told us that we should stay to avoid staying away.
I don't understand. Chimo,
Wait, you mean you've been here since you came back from school?
Yeah. I even met David here. Daddy said I should stay with Auntie you come back, but she didn't allow me to enter her room.
Can you imagine the nonsense? Asking my children to stay outside? Eh? What kind of nonsense is this now?
Babe, please. Calm down, okay? Let's not make trouble out of this. At least we have seen them. They are healthy. Let's take them.
Don't even annoy me this evening. I should not make trouble. Oh, now you know we should not make trouble. But when I told you, after I advised you not to... Wokem, I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk. It's because of you I'm in this dungeon. I don't want to talk. Just look at my... Carry your things, let's go inside. Eh? I don't blame you. Okwabaka rock for carpet.
It's okay.
Don't tell me it's okay, people. Don't tell me it's okay.
Let's go. It's okay. It's okay.
Don't look at my children.
Neighbor, thank you.
You are still saying thank you. God, I can't continue like this. If you know you do not want to change this condition, please take my life. Take my life now. I have had enough. Take my life.
Jesus. Even if you take my life, who will take care of my children? Who will take care of my children? Who will take care of my children? Just tired. I'm so tired.
Baby, stand up.
Jesus.
Sorry.
What is it?
Sorry.
What is it? Why are you running like that? Who's chasing you?
Baby, relax. I have good news for you.
Good news, Sokwa. What good news are you talking about?
There's this business partner of mine that I've been searching for his contact for a very long time. I met his boys at the station yesterday.
Are they outside? Are they the ones chasing you?
They are not outside. After we exchanged pleasantries, I asked for his contact. And one of them gave it to me. Last night I called him. We discussed at length. He was so happy to hear my voice again.
Hey!
I just used the opportunity to tell him what I've been passing through. I told him about my condition, everything. He felt pity. Baby, you know what he said?
What did he say?
He was the one that suggested by himself. He said I should come over to his place in the city with my family. So we can sit down and discuss the best solution to my problem.
Hey!
I am telling you!
If the man is willing to hear your story and he's willing to help, what else are we talking about?
Exactly! You get the point now.
Hey! Ijebube Chineke, Ijebube Onyewe, Ijebube Chineke, Ijebube. Oh, hey! Father Lord, you know I have exhausted all my grace. This should be a starting point for my family. This should be a new era for my family. Chukwu Okike, I praise your holy name. It's again.
God is great.
God is great. God has answered our prayers. He has answered our prayers.
Amen.
Now, Chino, my husband, I prepared a nice meal. A very delicious meal.
What are we waiting
Let me go and
What are we waiting for?
Now sit down.
Hey,
God has answered our prayer. Please again. Hey!
I'm waiting. Baby, hurry up, oh, hurry up.
Precious woman,
Hey, Chimo. Now,
precious woman.
as soon as we get this money from this man, the first thing we are doing is moving out of this yard.
Okwayada, we need to leave this place. We have tried.
Well, it depends. It depends on the amount he's going to give to us. Yes, if the amount he's going to give to us is small, I would suggest we stay here while I work and save more money. It is better that way.
Oh, I think you're right. So. And Princess!
Where are they? Oh yeah, come out. Let's go.
The KK man has been waiting. Go on. Hey, why your qua? Where are you running to?
Are you not sure someone will go to the front, or are we okay? Okay, go in.
You are the best woman ever. You are mother, a soulmate, God-fearing woman. What would I have done without you, oh baby? I am made today because...
Yay!
This is a house. Yes.
Yay! This house is fine. The house is beautiful. No. You mean this is your friend's house?
Yes, it is.
Mom, I like this house.
The house
This is a house.
beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Hey, my husband.
Yes.
You know some people are actually living in heaven while on earth. So this is somebody's house.
I'm telling you.
Yay! You want to move? Eh? Hey! Chilling. Knock now.
Eh? I'm calling my friend, but it's not taking his calls.
I thought he was the one that said we should come.
Yeah, he's the one that said we should come, but I don't know what's wrong. I've been trying his number, it's not going through. Let me try it again.
He's still not picking. Maybe you should knock. Somebody will come out, oh?
Hello?
Hey.
Hello? Who is in? Okay. Okay, angry.
Baby.
Mommy, this is the Namdi that paid for my hospital treatment.
I said it. You know, I was looking at your face when you opened the gate. It's you.
Good morning, Mom.
Yeah, you look on Mokoro. Nam, you're buying for me. No. I should be the one bowing to you. I need to say thank you to you for the other day. They said you came back to the hospital to pay my son's hospital bill. Yes, God bless you.
Thank you.
Chukubosegi. Oh, thank you very much. Hey.
Uncle Namdi, good morning, sir.
Good morning, David. How are you?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, Princess. How are you?
I didn't know my name.
Is this where you work?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You work here and you're able to pay my son's hospital bill.
It's a lot deal, man.
One more. Hey, Nam.
Welcome, man.
Nam, stop bowing. You welcome, sir. Thank you. Oh. God bless you, Nam.
Babe.
One more. Welcome, ma.
Very wonderful house. Wonderful. Thank you very much. Please, can I see your boss? Where is he?
My boss, he actually wake up at 11 o'clock.
What is it? It's you. You are the one now. You are the person that accused me of stealing your phone. Nam, you accused me of stealing your phone. Did I steal your phone? Mba! Your friend entered the shop and brought out a phone that I did not steal. Did I steal your phone? Answer me now.
Bring your voice now. This is my friend's house. Have you forgotten? Please, just let him be. Let him be. Please, thank you.
You cannot tell me to calm down. This boy accused me of stealing his phone, and I didn't touch his phone.
That is not what you can be talking about here now. We are here for a reason. Yeah, we can always settle that later. Please.
You can go and sit down.
He said we can go and sit down. Let's go.
It is because of what we came here for. You accused me of stealing, and you even called the police on me.
Babe, stop this thing you are doing now. Wait, do you want my friend to come out and just send us out of his house?
Sorry.
What we are here for is more important than this thing you are talking about.
Sorry,
Thank you. Let's go, please. Let's go.
God will judge you.
You! What George?
It's okay now.
Don't stop telling me that it's okay. Somebody accused me of stealing for now stealing. So, your generation will steal until they die.
Don't do that here.
Your ancestors will steal until they die.
Babe, listen to me.
Your next generation, they will steal until they die.
Comes and tries to
Why are you doing this? Sorry. We're here for something. Sorry. Your grandchildren will steal until Sorry.
Oh, welcome to AA Castle. Please have your seat so I can set the time for you.
Chereo. Cherekwa. Pamba. Don't go yet. What is happening here, Anai?
What is happening?
What do you mean, what is happening? I know her now. Eh? I know this woman. You are the one that accused me of sleeping with your husband. Are you not the one? What are you doing? I know her now. I know what I'm saying. Look, she's the one now. See her. She's the one that came to my shop.
Mom.
Eh?
I thought away from the wall.
What is going on? Why did you hang our pictures in somebody's house? Eh? Do you want them to call us thieves? Why?
Baby.
Eh?
This is our new house.
Shut up. Hey!
Daddy, is this our house?
Yes, my daughter.
Very sure.
Very sure, son.
Boss.
Yeah. Okay, good. Thank you.
What is...
Boss, the file is ready.
Nayo, what is going on here? What does he mean by boss? Now, do you have malaria? Wait, who is the boss here?
He's my boss and I'm his manager.
Baby. You know I told you the business failed. On the contrary, it didn't fail. No, it didn't. We made it.
Yes, boss, yes! We made it! We are mega rich, boss! Mega rich! Not that you know. Man! Come on, I'm so happy. You know, Joe? Yes.
I owe you a lot. When I mean a lot, I do. Thank you so much. Do you know at a point I was no longer interested in this business because of the dream my wife told me about?
I noticed.
But you, you kept pushing. Kept pushing me towards a positive direction. In faith. Now, here we are. Here we are!
Thank you. Thank you so much, yeah? Thank you, boss, for the compliments, okay? You see, sometimes dreams can be deceptive. And the devil has used the negative dreams to deny a lot of people their inheritance and blessings from God. Let me tell you something. Not all dreams come from God. Satan also shows people dreams. You know what I'm talking about. Thank you very much, boss. Thank you for everything. Yeah.
I just learned a new one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Lessons learned.
Of course.
I think I need to teach my wife this new lesson I just learned. but in my own way.
How do you mean, boss?
The point I'm trying to make is I want to put her to test. Yes, I want to see what her reaction will be to my new status as a poor man. The point I'm trying to make is I want to know if we hadn't made it. I want to know if we hadn't made it, what would our reaction look like? If we have failed in this business,
are you sure you want to do this?
Yes, I'm sure. I want to. As a matter of fact, it is an opportunity for me to know who I actually got married to. If I was a poor man, I mean, what would have been a reaction towards me? Let's just act as if we lost this business. We didn't gain at all. And see. Of course, you attach it to the dreams she dreamt. She would tell me that she dreamt about it and I didn't hear it. But what would be her reaction? I just want to know, especially our faith in God. So we are going to make it real. Like, we'll make it look real. Like we lost out in the business. We will make it look so real, exactly the way she saw it in her dream. I want to know.
Then you have a point there.
Oh yes, but you have a role to play. A big role to play at that. Joe, we have to make it real. It has to look real. Deal.
Deal.
Jojo!
Oh.
Yeah, remember I always tell you I go out to the site to work, right? Yes, all those times I was going to site to work, we were actually working on the site. Happy, proud, and fulfilled. Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for making you pass through all this emotional stress. The emotional trauma, the embarrassment, everything. I'm sorry. It wasn't intentional. I mean, I actually wanted to. It is a joke taken too far. I wanted to announce the good news to you in an extraordinary way. I'm sorry, sweetheart. Yeah.
Njide, it's okay. You are a strong woman. I'm happy you did not succumb, even when the road was very tough. I expected you to give up, but you never did. So, you're a strong woman, and you're worth celebrating. Yes, I'm so proud of you. So proud of you. Yes.
We also considered your friend. Yes, NK. I knew she was the only one who could render help to you.
There is only one person she can cry to for assistance, which is her best friend NK. They are so close. As a matter of fact, there is no way she will cry to NK for assistance that she will not offer her.
But you know NK is just her business friend. They don't share same lifestyle. Yes. And you know women, by the time she goes to her for help for once, the second time, she would want to introduce her to the business she does.
The business she does? She owns a salon, so I don't understand. Is the salon business not the only business she does?
Come on. Who doesn't know NK in this town? She pimps women for all these politicians and Yahoo boys. Salon is just a cover-up.
For real?
I won't lie to you now. Whoa. Yes, by the time she goes to her, she would facilitate our game, mounting more pressure on her to compromise. You know what I'm talking about.
What if she compromises?
Then left for you. Remember, you initiated this game. So it's either you're ready for the game and its consequences or not.
I'm game.
Okay.
Let's play this game.
Deal.
Baby. Against all odds, I took the risk. Yes, I took the loan and invested the money, knowing too well that anything could have happened. But here we are. Here we are standing tall, proud, and fulfilled. Fulfilled. Because I married to the best woman in the world. That is you. I love you, baby. Thank you. Sweetheart, you proved to me that you are a woman of virtue. A God-fearing woman to the core.
Yeah. A woman of virtue. Yet you did all this to me. I know you're with him, Meluki.
Wasn't intentional.
Have I done anything to you?
No. No.
Did I ever give you any reason to believe I was cheating on you?
No, baby. No, you didn't.
Did I do anything wrong to you?
It was a joke taken too far.
Yet you made me go through all this. And I suffered! I suffered for you!
Please.
I was in the hospital day and night crying because of this young man. I was accused of sleeping with someone else's husband because of you. Somebody said I stole a phone. Anayo,
I'm sorry.
I told under the sun day and night.
I'm sorry.
Anayo, what did I do to you? What did I do to you?
Baby, you didn't do anything to me. I took it too far.
Anayo!
It's my fault.
Come
on, baby.
What did I do?
Baby, please, it's okay. Baby, it's okay.
I don't deserve this. I don't deserve this.
Sorry, baby. I'm sorry.
I don't deserve this. I don't.
Precious woman, the cost is priceless. Precious woman, tried and trusted. A precious woman, Idoka. She is special, my dear. Oh, my love. A role model, oh, my dear. Oh,
Princess,
she's a wife.
your plates. Or you don't want salad?
I want some.
A woman of
It's actually good for you. Is that enough?
Yeah.
Okay. Bobo, shift your plate, okay? Is this enough? Okay, mommy deserves to eat some as well.
Of course.
But how much did you give the chef to prepare this? This is a lot, oh. Eh?
Don't worry. I'll let you know that. Babe.
You like it? So, babe, you're serious about what you told me about that guy that fought you at the site?
That reminds me, babe. It was God in heaven that saved me. I would have been alive by now. When that guy hit my head with a stick, I saw stars. To make it worse, the site engineer wasn't on site. So the guy was free to do whatever I wanted to do. The guy whipped my skull. My shine head with that when I saw stars. I almost wanted to scream, "Oh boy! I'm acting up!" God save me.
She's a wife indeed.
I really don't feel like going home to meet the kids like this.
So where do you want to stay? Here? Now we're already owing 50,000 naira for the drugs and everything they gave to you here. One night here is 20,000 naira for bed. Where are we going to get that kind of money? I don't have that kind of money. We would have to manage. Pico.
It's okay. We'll go home. Worst come to worst, I will just tell them that I had an accident. It will be good for them to know that I fought with someone and I hit my head with a bucket. It's not good for the children to know that.
It's okay. Let's just wait for the doctor to come and discharge you.
Okay.
Do you want anything?
Precious woman, her cost is priceless. Precious woman, tried and trusted. A precious woman, it don't come.
Oga, please forgive me. I don't know if I be the best way get the place where I work. I think say they follow me, they hustle. I make me at the giddy you now because I know one person chance me. But I don't know say that you be the Oga pata. If you say I don't say that you be the person where they give me food job, I don't go try am. I dey mad. I beg. Just find a place in your house to forgive me. I beg. Hey, manager. You said you no try at all. If you tell me say na him be the Oga pata for where I dey work, I think say na normal person where they work with me. I for no try am. For tell me.
It's okay. It's okay. No problem. I have forgiven you. Manager, please take him. Take him out of here. I don't want my wife to come and see this scenario.
Okay, sir. It's okay. He insisted he must come to ask for your forgiveness. That's why I brought him here. I've already sent him out of the site.
Oh, no, we don't need that. We don't need that at all. At all. Let him go back to work. Okay? Okay. Just let him go back to work. Okay. No.
He goes home mad. I don't know if he be better man like this. Thank you very much. Sorry everything I do. I no go try him again. God forbid. Thank you very much. I don't know if he be better person. Thank you, Oga. Hey, thank you. Hey, I beg you thank Oga. I beg. Hey, Oga, thank you.
Thank you, stars.
I no go try him again. I beg.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, thank you. God bless you.
So,
another surprise. So when I was coming down from
Okay. If you have another surprise, we'll have to wait. The kids are here. Normally, we don't talk while we eat. After the food, we can do the surprise. Is that okay?
Good.
Precious woman, my cost is priceless. Precious woman, tried and trusted. A precious woman, Idoka, she is special. Oh, my love, a role model. Oh, she's a wife indeed. Oh, my love, a woman of faith, a strong woman. She can never compromise her faith at all. She can never compromise her love at all. No matter the conditions, she's faithful. No matter the problems, she's faithful. Even in the face of trial, she's faithful. She never
What is it this time,
Don't worry.
You know you're full of surprises. What is it?
Well, that is why it's a surprise, okay? You'll get to know about this in a few seconds. Just keep working, alright? Okay. You find it on the edge, just... Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, keep working. Alright.
Baby,
Keep working. Don't talk.
No, you
Alright?
can just tell me what it means.
Okay, here we are. Your count of 3. I'm gonna let go. 1, 2.
Precious woman, I cost is priceless.
What's going on here?
Okay. Baby. Actually, I just want to say thank you for everything. I just want to let you know I love and cherish you, and I appreciate your undying love for me, your unconditional love for me. And because of the emotional trauma, emotional stress I let you go through, I have decided to present you with this token, this gift from Mercedes-Benz, all for you. There you go. It's all yours. There you go. Check it out.
Sorry.
It's all yours. All yours, baby.
What's this for me?
Maybe you want more than this. You're.
Precious woman, her cost is priceless. Precious woman, tried and trusted. A precious woman, Idoka. She is special.
Abumonye ijecheremo dadimo onye njodi kamo ijecheremo dadimo onye njodi kamo ijecheremo Chukwu.
God bless you. You are the husband of my youth. I love you today, tomorrow.
Precious woman, tried and trusted. A precious woman, Idoka. She is special.